So these are the various project management process steps. So you people just concentrate on the things that you are getting on the top, nothing but project setup. Project setup is how you are nothing but your project planning, how you are going to execute your project, how many employees you need for successful completion of your project, where you are going to start your project, what are the raw materials you require. All these are the essentials that you see in your project setup. So the project setup will be done only before the execution of the project, not after the starting of your project. You will be setting all the requirements of your projects, or else project proposals will be done before starting of your project. So next step is project definition. Project definition is nothing but how you are going to define your project. What is the outcome of your project? Or else you can see here, what are the resources that you require? How many teams you require? In that teams, how many members you require? What are your procurement plans? Or how you are going to document your things? So this project definition is also done before the starting of your project. Next, conceptual design. Conceptual design is nothing but how you going to execute, or else how you are, what are the safeties that you are going to take part for your sake of your employees who are involved in your project, or else how you are safeguarding your resources, or else how you are safeguarding your raw materials. All these things you will be discussing in your conceptual design, and this is the first phase of your project life cycle. As of your product life cycle, project is also having 4 stages. So this is the conceptual phase, is the first phase of your project life cycle. And scheme design, how you are going to execute, that comes under your scheme design. Detailed design is how each and everything, what machinery you are going to use, what are the specifications of that particular machinery, or else who are the people involved in your project, what are their achievements or what are their qualifications, what talent that focus you to take that person into your project, that all described in your detailed design. Next, tender and invitation and assignment. Some of these projects will be given for others. Some of the projects we ourselves will be taking. For example, if you are a person who is taking the project management itself, or else you are taking, if you are a person who are taking tenders. So here we know we don't discuss this tender invitation, because you are the person taking tenders. You won't give any kind of tenders to others. So next, manufacture equipment. Manufacture equipment is nothing but what are the equipments that you are going to use in this particular project itself, or else what are the key components that you are going to use, or else how you are making this manufacturing, nothing but how you are setting up and how practically you are doing that particular planned ones into the reality. Install equipments, if that particular project is based upon the softwares or the based upon the machineries, so you need to install some kind of features. Next, text commission is nothing but how you are going to test all those installed ones. Is it all the installed ones are working properly or not? Confirm communication completion. Completion is nothing but you will be just reviewing all your project records, or else you will be reviewing all the activities that you have done in your project process. It means what is the planned things and how you have did. Nothing but gate 0 and gate 4 you will be comparing. Did we done our project based upon the planned activities before starting our project? Is there any difference, or is those both things are similar to one and each? And the final thing is reviewing. If you are getting any kind of disturbances between gate 1 and gate 4, you need to review your project again, or else you need to make some necessary steps. If you are not having any kind of disturbances based upon your planned and executed activities, you will be continuing and you will be closing that particular project itself. And this is all about your project process.